Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Let me ask you something. How often do you find yourself in the middle of a negative emotion like stress, frustration, guilt, loneliness, or even boredom? And instead of just feeling it, you immediately start trying to escape it. Maybe you scroll through your phone, grab some chocolate from the pantry, or you dive into another spreadsheet at work, even though you're already exhausted. Maybe you negotiate with yourself by saying something like, "I'll just do this one thing to feel better, and tomorrow I'll get back on track." How familiar does all of this sound to you? If you're thinking, "How did you know what I was thinking?" I want you to know that you're not alone. Almost every client that I work with, especially the high-stress professionals like accountants, CPAs, tax preparers, bookkeepers, lawyers, and business owners, struggle with negative emotions. And I want you to know that nothing has gone wrong. Negative emotions are not only normal, but they're also part of the full human experience. But the way that you handle them, that's where everything changes. And today, we're going to talk about how to stop letting negative emotions run your life, and instead, how to manage them in a way that gets you closer to the life that you actually want. Let's dive in. Let's start with this truth. Negative emotions are unavoidable. Life is always going to be about 50% positive and 50% negative. So why do negative emotions feel like such a problem? I'll give you an example. One of my clients is a tax preparer who used to think that the only way he'd feel better was if busy season stopped being so intense. He believed that once the work slowed down, his stress would disappear. But what actually happened? Busy season ended, and stress was replaced by boredom, second guessing, and this nagging feeling of, "I should be doing more." That's how emotions work. We can't outrun them. If it's not stress, it'll be overwhelm. If it's not overwhelm, it'll be guilt. If it's not guilt, it'll be loneliness. Negative emotions don't stop coming, but when you learn how to manage them, they stop controlling you. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.